Do you want to start affiliate marketing but don't know how to get traffic? In this video, I'm gonna show you the best traffic method I'm currently using as well as the product I'm promoting. First, look at some results from our team members. Here you can see Evans reached $812, Lisa just on $37, Johar made $29, Teresa made $43, and he made $6,028 just with $7 OLSP system. Here you can see the dashboard of our system. Here you can see the 3 steps training where you learn about the system and how it works. On the right side, you will get your promotional link, which is also a mega link, which helps you to generate 7 income streams. Here you can see my commission in last 24 hours, $40, and 401 people made sale in last 24 hours. This OLSP system is a done for you system where you will get everything training, traffic method, as well as the funnel you require to promote this system. Your mega link is already connected to the sales funnel where you will get 7 income streams. If you join through the description, you will get both of these products absolutely for free. You can buy traffic from this system itself, but I haven't bought any traffic from this system because I'm currently using the free traffic method to generate sales. I'm currently using Quora as a traffic system. Here you can see I have got over 5,000 views, 16 upvotes, 5 comments, and 28 shares. You can see all the work I have done in this system. There are different ways to use Quora to generate traffic, but today I'm going to show you the space method. For this, you have to create an space. This is absolutely free. And space is like a Facebook group where you will share your knowledge. Here you can create your space, fill your basic information, and it will be created. It's very easy. Let's go to my space. Here you can see I have got 349 views with 2 followers just with 12 contents. I have done very little work on this Quora space. Still, I'm getting views every single day. To post on this Quora, just click answers. What is the most effective ways to promote affiliate link? Just copy this question and paste here. You can write a long form content as well as short form. I am currently writing short article. Copy the text and go to your space. Here you can see I said and a call to action. Copy your affiliate link and go here and click the link and paste here and post. You can see my clickable link and I have got 1 views. Don't expect to get thousands of traffic in first post. If you work consistently, you will grow your space like this. They post 20 posts daily. Use this method to generate traffic and earn commission. Don't forget to join $7 OLSP system and work hard.